hard sign. It is called tвердый знак in Russian. Soft sign. It is called мягкий знак in Russian.
Подъезд,
entrance,
подъем.
climb,
Please note that without hard sign, подъезд will sound like подъезд and подъем will sound like подъем. Notch,
night,
cone.
horse,
Please note that you will come to know the use of soft sign later with experience. Hello, my name is Shirish Pandit, and in this video we are going to take a revision of what we have studied earlier. In the earlier lessons we have learned that there are 21 consonants in total, 10 vowels and 2 signs. So total there are 33 alphabets. Let's start with the consonants. B, W, G, D, J, Z, I, K, L, M, N, P, R, S, T, F, K, S, Ch, Sh, Sh. Now vowels. A, O, U, E, I. These are hard vowels. Ya, yo, you, e, e. These are soft vowels. Now signs. Hard sign and soft sign. Hard sign makes the preceding consonant harder, and soft sign makes the preceding consonant softer. Congratulations friends! We have successfully learned Russian alphabets. Before proceeding to the next video, check if you are clear with the alphabets.